Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cut video in Filmora. So if you want to cut video, or you want to trim video, or you want to edit footage in Filmora, here is how you can get it done. First thing you have to do is you add your video to your timeline. So once you add your video to your timeline, make sure you turn on this preview mode, make sure it is on. So with the preview mode, you can easily preview any part of your timeline on your screen here. So if you want to cut videos, just place your preview line at the head, at where you want to cut the video. Just tap on this scissors icon, just tap on it. Then you can also place it on the other edge also. And you just put in your breaks, just hit your backspace, then you can also do the cutting. Then you can simply backspace the part of the video you want to cut out, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.